Dr. Miguna Miguna, my understanding is that he has left Germany. He is now in France. Dr. Miguna is going through extreme frustrations. We had hoped that he would come back to Kenya so that he can attend a funeral of a relative of his, a close relative of his who has died. And all the time we were assured by those in authority that there would be no problem at all. But very much to our surprise, he has not been able to travel to Kenya. He was not able to proceed on the Lufthansa flight. He was not able to proceed to Kenya on Air France flight. And he remains stranded in France up to now. Winter is on. He's in a foreign country. He's a son of the soil. And there's no reason why the authorities in this country should not take steps to bring him back to Kenya. I have not made any application today. Or the judge, we made an expert application. The judge gave us orders. He emphasized orders that were delivered by his brothers in the past in respect of Miguna. And those orders up to now have not been obeyed at all. The problem that the government is facing, in my own humble view, is really imaginary. There's no problem. The government can take all steps necessary to ensure that Dr. Miguna is in the country. And we think that it is the government itself that is an obstacle to the return of Dr. Miguna in the country.
My learned senior has addressed you and demanded that the respondent should facilitate the petitioner's re-entry, but has not told this court has not informed this court whether the government has refused to allow Miguna's re-entry. Miguna is in another country, a country which Kenya has no control over. We do not know why he has not been able to travel, why he's not in Kenya. It is up to him. He's an adult. The airport is a security zone. And we are opposed to allowing people to the airport unless they possess traveling documents. But for Miguna is free to enter this country. My London senior has informed me that he spoke to the ministry and also to the immigration department, and they assured him that they are not opposed to Miguna's re-entry. There is no document that has been filed in this court, sworn on oath, detailing the reasons or allegations that it is the government of Kenya that is behind the problems that Miguna is facing. My submissions are that this application is of no basis because we have confirmed that we are not opposed to Miguna's re-entry. Therefore, it should be struck out because the court has already delivered a judgment on the same and a contempt application already